They call it the gelatin trick, a simple bedtime habit that's making people lose weight in their sleep. All I did was mix 1 spoon before bed, and within days I woke up feeling lighter, less bloated, and way more energetic in the morning. No diets, no workouts, just one small change. The secret is how gelatin boosts your metabolism overnight, helping your body melt stubborn fat while you rest and recover. It's cheap, simple, and you probably already have it at home. Click the link in the pinned comment and learn how to prepare this gelatin trick before it disappears.